You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French in French, meaning everything is going to be alright. Everything's going to be alright. How do you say everything's going to be alright in French? In France it is said as tout ira bien. So tout is French for everything. The T is normally silent, but because it is linked up, because the following word starts with a vowel, an I, then you link up the T to ira, and so the T becomes not silent, right? Pronounced. Tout ira, ira is the future of the verb to be. Tout ira bien, tout ira bien. Tout ira bien. Tout ira bien, you could say. Tout ira bien. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.